Happy bank holiday campers. This guy here at Suzuki UK, Chesterfield's premier holiday park, and I'm here to show you this off-grid souped up green meat machine. Let's roll. And as it's spring bank holiday, we've sprung into action today with the upgraded 4-stage suspension system. Doing that allows you to put these oversized mud terrain tyres on, encasing the upgraded steel wheel for all outdoor pursuits. Now, there's something a bit special with the paintwork on this, you might have noticed. Yeah, it's spotless. It's spotless because it's been wrapped in this PPF wrap. Now, this is a paint protection film with a satin finish on it. If you know anything about Suzuki Jimnys here in the UK, then you'll also know that firstly, they don't make them anymore. Secondly, just before they didn't make them anymore, they only made them in commercial, which means lots of storage for camping stuff, but nowhere for anybody to sit. However, don't worry, we've got your needs completely looked after with the possibility of a genuine Suzuki seat conversion for this vehicle to make it into a 4-seater car. Leather if you want, heated seats in the front, we've got those already, I'll show you in a bit, but yeah, that makes it into the perfect off-road stroke city stroke school run car, just for you. And in here, although at the moment fairly basic, we have got the capabilities of upgrading the media unit to an all singing, all dancing wireless Apple CarPlay unit to bring all that up to date. We can also install heated seats for you using these switches down here, these blanks. You might notice, eagle-eyed among you, that the commercial only comes with a cloth interior and this isn't. So upgraded to leather in our workshop by our leather wizard, and yeah, I think it brings it all up to date, plush, comfy. Speaking of that, it's getting a bit dark, maybe we should pitch up for the night. There we go, easy as that. 5 minutes flat to laid out flat. Anyway, I'm going to call it a night. I'll see you guys next time.